Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be live today at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last week's live went pretty well. We didn't have any freeze-ups, but later in the rebroadcast I noticed that the things we had adjusted had dropped the quality of the video. So this week we're going to attempt fate again and going to put it at the usual quality of video and see whether or not we have a freeze up. If we have a freeze up, our plan will be to disconnect and to reconnect, and it'll be a part 2, maybe. Fingers crossed again that this problem has been solved. The more that we have investigated it, the more that we find that the problem is probably with YouTube. But we're not absolutely sure about that. So anyways, we're going to give it our best shot, so bear with us. And I hope you can join us today, Sunday, December the, what is the date? December the 16th, days go by fast, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.